What's up, y'all? Before we get started on this hair, let me show y'all my new puppy. Say hi, guys. Meet Winter. Winter Snow is her name. Isn't she so cute? All right, you guys, I'm in a mood today. These kids are driving me absolutely batty. Let's get this party cracking. All right, so the first thing we're gonna need is a spray bottle. This literally has aloe vera juice, water, oil, and conditioner. And then I am using this Style Factor Edge Booster Gel today. And then we also are going to need a detangling brush and then some clips. So you guys know when I do my hair, I like to work in sections. So I'm just gonna part my hair into 3 sections, 2 sections in the back and then 1 in the front. So that's all I'm doing here. No. So we are just going to spray down this section, make sure it's nice and damp and moisturized before we begin adding the gel and coiling the section. And then we will go in with our detangling brush and really make sure the area is fully detangled and combed out properly for a nice smooth coiling system here. And then next we're going to go ahead and add our Edge Booster Styling Gel and applying it to this section and smoothing it all, making sure that your hair is nice and coated. Okay, now for the coiling. I need you guys to understand that your girl was struggling when I first started on the back of my hair. I did not realize that my roots were not getting coiled properly and that it was looking very puffy at the roots, and then the coil was all cute at the bottom but super puffy at the top. So you can see that here. So this right here really is a complete and utter fail moment. Not to mention those sections are really big and uneven, and it was just a hot mess going on right here. So please do not do this. I am going to show you what I ended up doing a little later on throughout my head once I really noticed that this wasn't going smoothly. Okay, so I started to kind of part the sections a lot neater once I got towards the upper middle part of my head. And as you can see, these coils are much cuter. And then I added a little more gel to smooth out this section. And then I began coiling from the very root of my hair and then bringing that coil all the way down. And then just kind of mid coil, holding on to it so that it doesn't unravel as I bring the coil downward. And this system ended up working out so much better, and it ended up being a much more neater coil for my hair. So yeah, you guys try this out instead of what I was doing earlier. Okay, you guys, so this is a little harder than I thought, and it really requires for me to have 2 hands, so I wasn't able to I was having a hard time doing it neatly and showing you guys at the same time. So I needed to really focus. So I had my mom record and show you the angle so that you could see what I was doing. But it's turning out really cute. It kind of makes me want to like have dreads, but I'll show you so far how it's looking. So this is what it looks like so far. And it's drying nicely. I'll show you this side too. So yeah, I'm gonna finish it and then I will show you when it's done. What's up, you guys? So I just wanted to come on here real quick and show you guys how my coils turned out. I've actually had these coils in for the past for days or so now, and they are still really, really neat, and that gel did a really good job as far as containing the frizz and making my coils really nice and neat. However, it is not the very moisturizing gel. So my advice would be to really make sure you moisturize your hair prior to putting the gel on your hair, because it is kind of drying, and then it also kind of is really crunchy. So I am going to put some oil on my hair to kind of get rid of the cast that's left on there and the crunchy feeling. But at first, when I first finished my hair, I didn't like it, and I was like, this ain't for me. But now that I have had it in, it's such an easy style. It's so good. Like, I really like it. I lay down, I get up in the morning, and my hair is ready to go, and it's cute, and it's neat, and it's fun, and it's really easy to deal with. I still have access to my scalp, so I can massage my scalp or oil my scalp as I need to. And I really think it's really, really cute. So you can see here, and I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. Like, I have not tied my hair up the last, like, every day since I've got this done. Like, I have satin pillows, so I do sleep on my satin pillow cases, but I haven't tied my hair up at all. I've been super duper lazy. But this is really cute, and I don't know if you can kind of see the flakes a little bit on my hair. But again, I am going to get some oil and put that on my hair to kind of get rid of that casty, flaky feeling. But it's really a fun hairstyle. I like it. I like it a lot. So I actually do recommend that you try this hairstyle. This is really fun. And I think when I'm ready to be done with the coils, I'm just going to take some oil, unravel them, and make it be like a curly style next. So yeah, that's it, you guys. This is the look. This is how it turned out. It's so fun. Really, really fun. And that's it. That's all I have to say. Yeah. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on so you don't miss any videos moving forward. And what else? Oh, push the like button. I'll be trying to remember the script. Push the like button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Join my natural team, okay? Because we doing a whole lot of growth and scalp stimulation and all that good stuff over here, all right? Oh, yes, I have some new things that I want to do. I want to start doing mukbangs on Sundays. It's just something different we're going to try. And, doing some more stuff with my kids and having them more involved. So, yeah, that's it. Okay, bye. I'm talking a lot now. That's it. That's what I got for you. Here's my coil. It's cute. Peace out. Peace, hair grease, and all that.